let's just take a look at engine warning lights and what they mean. The check engine light is one of the most misunderstood warning light that is on the dashboard of your vehicle. Seeing it coming on could mean anything from small issue to a major technical problem. Now guys, if the engine warning light comes on while you are driving, please make sure that you pay attention to the sound of the vehicle and any changes that there are to the vehicle as soon as the warning light comes on. And if the vehicle is losing power while the engine warning light is on, the safest thing to do is to pull your vehicle next to the road on a safe place and make sure that you are safe and you call roadside assistance. Guys, remember that an engine warning light coming on is not a diagnosis and it should never be taken as such. The warning light coming on is just to tell you, as part of the onboard computer system that is in your vehicle, that something is wrong with your vehicle and it needs to be checked.